everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we have the Synco G2 A2 wireless lavalier microphone system for a review. The Synco G2 A2 is the best budget wireless lavalier microphone system of the second generation G series, which, similar to Synco G1, also comes in two forms: 1-to-1 G2 A1 and 1-to-2 G2 A2. The new wireless microphone comes from G1 A2 and is reborn with a display to show all main indicators, in continuous processing the input audio via patented technology and sending clean, clear audio based on 2.4 GHz digital transmission technology. With one receiver and two transmitters, G2 A2 is a dual-channel wireless microphone system for recording two sound sources at the same time, in particular, and is the best budget microphone for a wide range of content creation applications. Mobile content creators would like the pocket-sized small microphone. The transmitter and receiver each weighs only 39 grams and is 52, 42, 17 mm sized, very easy to be concealed and very inconspicuous in most recording scenarios. Synco wireless lavalier microphone G2 A2 distinguishes itself from G2 A1 by having the other transmitter to achieve the recording of two-person dialogue and the flexibility of output modes, and differs from G1 A2 by a true color TFT display on both transmitter and receiver to make each key figure, such as recording mode and battery status, readable under different light intensities. The Synco encrypted transmission algorithm 2.0 enhances the signal stability of the digital microphone system within 15 meters line of sight and 13 meters non-line of sight effective range. It runs the frequency hopping spread spectrum technique to detect the location on its own intuitive and then by itself turns to the optimal frequency so that no signal conflicts or would occur. This also helps protect privacy and reduce interference. The digital signal processor keep in the best microphone optimizes the signal from input to output directly. The full synchronization of signal capture, processing and delivery is a guarantee of the almost zero latency transmission and quality sound production, perfect for immediate use and great for live broadcast. The 3-in-1 charging solution allows the charging of this lavalier microphone system 2TX plus 1RX at the same time with one power source. It takes only 14 minutes to get the system 50% powered and 1 hour to reach 80%. The capacity expanded battery supports 8 hours continued working if full charged. A button is set to mute the microphone system for a while when it comes to team communication, devices setup and more, rather than completely turning off the system. The low-cut gain control and real-time monitoring function to give a wider range of adjustment, allowing the microphone system to work in more conditions. The G2 transmitter and receiver are both solidly built. They are tiny and remarkably light, so light when used with an external lavalier microphone it's easy to forget you are wearing up. The LCD display is bright, clear and colorful. The clip is the perfect size to attach to either clothing or slide into a camera hot shoe. The 3-in-1 charging cable that comes with it is very useful as you can charge both transmitter and the receiver together. Great audio product that can improve the audio quality of the video recording significantly. You would recommend the Synco G2 A2 to any filmmaker looking for a complete kit that solves their wireless audio needs, freeing them to focus on creativity and storytelling. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, hit the subscribe button to see a video like this. Bye!